If you're curious what's going on here, you can see that's marked out for a register that's going into that room. Old school. Welcome back, everybody. You're watching the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. It's the entire world. Today's video is getting started on replacing the heating system in this old house. The boiler has probably changed several times over the last 100 years. It's always been hot water flowing through radiators. That's antique stuff. I know some of you are already hammering on your keyboard saying that
radiant heat is better than hot air blowing over your body.
And I agree, 100%. I would choose radiant heat, radiant floor heat, radiant register heat, a hot water baseboard heat over gas forced air. It's just better. I agree with you, so calm down. So why in the world are all new houses gas forced air? Why would a millennial choose gas forced air over radiant? Radiant is for poor people. Grandma's house had radiators in it. We want central air conditioning. That is the #1 reason to put all the ductwork in, is to cool yourself in the summertime. We got global warming. We're hitting 100-degree days, 20 days a year, 95-degree days, 30 to 40 days a year. We need central air conditioning. That's the #1 reason I would choose forced air over radiant heat. So I'm having some clearance issues. This is a gas pipe, and this is a very long old galvanized water pipe. I got to get out of here, so I have the ceiling clear. It's not clear because it's at an angle. If I can cut it over there, bring it through. All right, hopefully this fucker comes clear. So I'm not quite sure how this is going to go, but I'm going to give it a shot and let you see what happens here firsthand. Live, uncut. Whoa, okay, good, clear, clear. Okay, I'm going to slide the sawhorses over. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm putting this piece of ductwork up in place. It's going to rest on here. There will be hangers, obviously, on this side. I got a big T-brace there that I'm going to brace this side up with. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes to cut in this, and I want to get it up in place and kind of eyeball it. The ones over on this side going to be kind of close. The other 2 are pretty standard, pretty easy. That's the way I'm doing it. You could measure everything out. There's not really anything straight to measure off of. So I'm trying this method first. We'll see if it works together. This ductwork is 8 by 30. It's capped on the end there. And it's reasonably stable. There goes my T-brace. Quick interruption to talk about the caulk gun shirts. The one, the only, the original caulk gun shirt. Out of like 10,000 of these, I've had 2 people say it doesn't fit right. So I'm just going to address that right now. I am 6'1", 195 pounds. I have no belly. No, I'm not sucking it in. This shirt has been washed, dried, and worn every single week for 1 year. Comes down below the pockets. Fits great for 6'1", 195. If you got a beer belly, if anybody's ever considered you being husky, you might want to try out an extra large. I just happen to have an extra large that has been washed and dried, and this is what it looks like. It's a little wrinkly. You can see it's a little big on me, but if I were, that's as far out as I can push it. But if I was a little huskier, this would be the size I would choose. So take a look. Hangs a little low, comes down a little further around the arms. Got a little more room. Link will be in the top of the description box where you can get your own caulk gun shirt. Back to the video. I just need to run this down. Whew. Nice job, handyman. For those of you who stuck around to the end, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching to the end. I've started uploading on the other channel, Too Much Handyman. That'll be the second link in the description. There's been 2 live streams and 1 video I uploaded. It's a little bit behind the scenes of this current project. I'm going to be uploading a few more behind the scenes as well as doing more live streams. Like I said, the beer fridge is full. And I'll be tackling that this coming Saturday, maybe Friday. Depends on my mood. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. New Jersey. Hello? Hello?
Assistant to the director here for the National Tax Relief Program. How are you doing today?
Oh, my ass is killing me.
All right, so I've been tasked to personally contact you and make sure that you have been provided the information about the new National Tax Relief Program. Can you tell me if you currently owe any back taxes at this time?
That IRS is I need some help.
Let me go ahead and get you this information then. One moment, please. Here we go.